Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Christmas is coming soon, so we're going to make a Christmas tree on the top of the cupcake. So use this nozzle and remove the green color of cream, and look, it's ready. You can decorate it further like we are doing here. We're also putting these beautiful stars and balls on the top of it. You can get all these elements from market, and look how pretty this is looking. Let's decorate cupcake today. We are going to make beautiful flowers on the top of it. Look, you will get this type of nozzle from market. Here we are going to take two different shades of cream and put both of them together like this. Remove the cream and you will get these beautiful flowers. Look how pretty the white shade is looking at the center. Similar way, we're going to cover the entire cupcake like this. You can also make more flowers on the top of it for the density, and look, it's ready. We're adding some green cream at the center of the flower, and look, it's ready. Similar way, you can also make leaves, and look, it is complete. Make more such cupcakes for a special day. Let's make rose flowers and other as well on the top of this cupcake. You can easily make the flower petals. Just have to change the nozzle for the cream and you can remove the flower like this, and look at the beautiful white flowers, how pretty these are looking. You can add some leaves and decorate it further. Like we're also putting these pearls on the top of it. These are edibles and you can get it from market easily. Look at these beautiful cupcake designs, how pretty these are looking. Let's create one of them. You're going to make a large red color of rose flowers. So remove the cream from the nozzle and make a circle like this in a twisted manner. You'll get this beautiful flower, decorate it further, and it's ready. Going to make this beautiful two shaded flower. Remove it from the nozzle. You can get these type of nozzles from market and make flowers on the top of it. After this, you can also make leaves at the center and it's around like this, and look, the design is ready. Let's decorate cupcake today. We are going to make beautiful little flowers on the top of it. You can use different colors. Here we're going to use these beautiful white, red, green color of cream, and we are making the petals here. Look how we are going to make it. Make the leaves as well after making the flowers and decorate it further like this, and look how pretty this is looking. We're going to make white flowers, so we're going to remove the white cream and your flowers are ready. Further, we are going to decorate it with this yellow color of cream. Put it at the center of the flower. Similar way, we're adding some leaves around the flowers and in the center space as well. And look, your beautiful cupcake flowers are ready. You can change the color as well. Going to remove the green color of cream on the top of the bread like this, and look, the design is ready. Similar way, you can make more such designs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.